Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add baggage on WestJet. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to WestJet if you already don't have an account. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. Here we have, as you can see, the flights, vacations, and offers. We have ED book a flight option, where you have multiple, you can go and book your flight. And in the top right corner, guys, we have, as you can see, everything about your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add baggage on WestJet. So, prepay for bags and save. Guests are encouraged to prepay for their first and second checked bags online. So for that, you can do it, of course, online. Throughout the managed trips at any time up to 24 hours before your flight. So 24 hours before your flight, as fees will increase by 10 throughout the self-serve check-in. So if you don't do it immediately, these fees will go up for $10 and a further 10 if paid at the airport with an agent. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.